I'd like to show you the BF300. The 300 equals 300 tons per hour throughput capacity, and that's what that number means on this model. The side view, or the side access for the engine and the hydraulics, all of your filters are easily accessible. All of your hydraulic test ports are easily accessible. Everything is labeled. Everything is neatly put into a very small package with a purpose that results in long component life. This is a 74 horsepower Kubota engine. It has an eco mode. This eco mode is part of the load demand system for the hydraulics. Depending on what the load is for the machine, what other functions are running, determines the RPM of the engine. The RPM of the engine hits the entire range, all the way from 900 up to 2,000 RPMs, depending on the load demand. The hopper, it's a 10-ton hopper capacity, very large for this class machine. The operator has one switch. With that one switch, both hopper wings fold up. This apron also folds up, so this creates a funnel, and that gets rid of or dumps all of your material at one time. Or the operator has the option of using independent switches. He can cycle his right hopper wing or his left hopper wing independently. As an option, we have shock absorbing push rollers. This helps alleviate any deviations or mats, defects when a truck backs in and contacts the paver. So on this side, we have the fuel capacity, or the fuel tanks, 25-gallon capacity. You have full access to your cooling package, all of your service drain ports for your fluids. Average fuel consumption so far through telematics fuel consumption reports is coming in about 2 gallons, less than 2 gallons per minute.